So hello everyone, welcome back to School Coaching Point. So I have already uploaded 4 videos from the topic Understanding Quadrilateral. Now in this video, today we will discuss 2 important questions. So this is the question number 1. Find how many diagonals does each of the following have: convex, quadrilateral. So we have to find out the number of diagonals. So how can you find out the number of diagonals? So I'll give one important formula. So number of diagonals of a regular polygon. So number of diagonals of a regular polygon is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So this is one of the important formula which we can use to find out the number of diagonal of a regular polygon. So what should be the formula? N into n minus 3 divided by 2, where n means the number of sides. So this is the formula we should use to find out the number of diagonal. Now let's move to the question. We have to find out the number of diagonal for convex quadrilateral. So this is the question. Convex quadrilateral. So what do you mean by convex quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means how many sides? 4 sides. So I have already given the explanation. Quadrilateral means this is a polygon having the 4 sides. So in convex quadrilateral, what is the value of n? N should be 4. Because it is a quadrilateral, it means how many sides it has? 4 sides. That means instead of n, we have to put the value 4. So after replacing the value, 4 into means bracket 4 minus 3 divided by 2. So number of diagonals. So number of diagonal should be what? 4 into 4 minus 3 divided by 2. So 4 into 4 minus 3 means 1 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2, answer is 2. That means for a convex quadrilateral, how many diagonals it has? 2 diagonals. So simply you should remember, once you write down the formula, simply replace the value of n. Since it is a quadrilateral, so we know for quadrilateral it has 4 sides, so we can replace n by 4. So your final answer should be 2. So that means the number of diagonals of a quadrilateral, convex quadrilateral, is equals to 2. Exactly in the same process, regular hexagon. So hexagon means how many sides? Hexagon means n should be 6 sides. Exactly in the same way we can find out the diagonal replacing the value of n by 6. So it should be what? 6 bracket 6 minus 3 divided by 2. So 6 into 6 minus 3, it will be 3 divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. That means for a regular hexagon, hexa means 6 sides, so n should be 6. So after putting the value of n equals to 6 and after doing the calculation, we get 9. That means how many diagonals? A regular hexagon has 9 diagonals. So this is the way through which we can easily find out the number of diagonals of a regular polygon. Let's move to the question, second question. So here once again this is a quadrilateral, and in this quadrilateral there are 4 angles A, B, C, D, and out of these 4 angles, 3 angles are given: 50 degree, 130 and 120 degree. So we have to find out the value of x. So in this question, in this type of question, we have to 3 angles should be given in the question. We have to find out the remaining angles. So what is the technique? So in the last video we have already discussed how to find out the angle sum. Angle sum means sum of all the interior angles of a regular polygon. We have already discussed in the previous video. So there is a formula: n minus 2 into 180 degree. So n minus 2 into 180 degree, this is the formula to find out the sum of all interior angles of a polygon. Sum of all interior angles of a polygon. So in this case, so since how many sides in this given figure? There are 4 sides. So here n equals to 4. Therefore sum of all the interior angles, sum of all the interior angles should be what? and minus 2 into 180 degree. That means 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 4 minus 2, it will be 2. 2 into 180 degree, it will be 360 degree. 360 degree. The sum of all the interior angles is 360 degree. That means, what is the meaning? When you add all the 4 angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, what is the total angle you will get? 360 degree. Now, in the next step, since the sum of all interior angle is 360 degree, so we can write A plus, now angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, it should be equals to 360 degree, because sum of all the interior angles is equals to 360 degree. So what is the value of A? Is 50 degree. What is the value of B? 130 degree. What is the value of C? 120 degree. And D means X, and 360 degree. Then 50 plus 130, it will be 180 plus 120 plus X equals to 360. 180 plus 120, it will be 300. 300 plus X equal to 360. Now from here, X equals to 360 minus 300. That means 60 degree. So what is the value of X? So X equals to 60 degree. So in this type of question, when you have to find out the value of X, or sometime two variable may be given to find out the value of X and Y. So what is the step number 1? First of all, you have to find out the sum of all interior angles using this formula. After finding the interior angles, sum of all interior angles, you have to proceed these steps. So this is the technique how to find out the values of X.